and welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing of my Citrus Twist January kit. Now every time I do get these kits I do now keep them in the bags and I do label them up with the month. So this is saying Citrus Twist January, of course. So let's have a look at what we get in this kit. Now there's been a lot of hype over this kit, so I am rather excited. So if I can get everything out, so you get absolutely gazillions of goodies as usual. So let's start with the papers. So this month we have 6x6 papers. Let me just get them out of the packaging. And as far as I know, these are from crepe paper, and you do actually get what looks like half of a pad, so they are still attached as a pad. So we've got this gorgeous sheet here that will be perfect as cut parts, and then we've got a nice green turquoisey type stripe. We've got pink with blue. We've got a nice teal blue with a pink design. We've got some cactuses in pink, turquoise and a greeny colour. Oh, I like this one. So we've got a nice yellow stripe with cream and pink. We've got cork effect with hexagon pink over the top. There's gazillions in here. Oh, pretty. I like this one. So we've got a nice design mixture of with a hint of pink and yellow and some black and white. We've got a page of ampersands. Nice, another it's sort of got a ledger print behind in this cream and then a design on the top. We've got some gorgeous birdies with flowers. Another sort of grid design with then a design on top. Black and white, always good. This is the paper pad that just keeps on giving. And then we've got these nice strips of different colours. They'll be nice as accents as well as a page on its own. Then we have some leaves and sort of florals, black and white. We've got some little houses with some llamas and some cacti. We have yellow with leaves, and this does keep on going. And then we have, yeah, this is the last one. Then we have a nice geometric design print. So we'll keep that one in the packaging, saves it spreading all over the desk for a change. So then we have the cut apart sheet, which again still has loads of labels which are great, and then we've got some things like getting messy, keeping it real, week in review, evening routine and morning routine as well. And then we have 2 4x6 cards. Love this. It's on, it's time to make the magic happen. And then on the other side we've got 12 new chapters, 365 new chances. Absolutely gorgeous. Then we have fresh and new. This is the beginning of anything you want. And we've got a nice pink design on the back. Loving this, loving this. Okay, so we'll now go into the 3x4 cards. So these are double-sided. And we have a 2018 and a journaling block. Then we have some ampersands. We have a gorgeous pink card that says start somewhere, followed by evening routine. We have nice little houses on a hill, and we have a nice stripe on the back. Now that's actually a black stripe with a pink stripe running underneath it as well. Very nice. We've got thumbs up, this was so good, and a little lock with some space for journaling. We've got, I'm not sure if they're like little tufts of grass, they sort of look like. And then we've got this is home. We've got a lifetime isn't enough to love you, and a nice design on the back. We've got black with white dots and like a little speech. Oh, excuse me. So you could put a picture on the bottom of there and then put a little quote on the top. And let's do what we love and do a lot of it. We've got must make, memories, coffee, messes, cookies, time and goals. And then we have genius. We have noted. And then we have it's a great time for great new beginnings. So I like the fact this has got elements of New Year, but it's not in your face. We've got a gorgeous yellow floral and morning routine. Nice design space for journaling or a photo and weekend. And then we have loving, needing, wanting, and you are the very best at being you. So good, as always, nice amount of filler cards as well as journaling cards. Then for the alphabet, we have a nice hot pink alphabet in a nice bold font. Beautiful. Then we have, now this is a little bit different, but we have a book page. So this will be fun to see how I get this in on a spread, but I'm going to see what I can do. Oh, gorgeous puffy stickers. I love the Citrus Twist puffy stickers. So we've got some florals and some hearts. Everyday magic. My tribe. Conversation. It was a very bad day. You get my vibe. Chaotic and messy. That's probably my house. Unleashed. Documented all. Oh yeah. Get cozy. Self-portrait. Quality time. Here we are. This is us. Hello 2018, Our Story and Weekend Rule, as well as a few other bits. Can't wait to use that. I was going to do some of my 2018. Got all my photos ready for week 1 and my photo printer ran out of ink. So I'm going to have to wait until Monday to get some more ink, but then I am hoping to bring you my week 1 of 2018. Don't want to get knocked off the bandwagon too early. But anyway, back to the kit. So hopefully I'm going to use some of these Hello 2018 and things in that spread. But we've got some phrase stickers. I won't read through all of these because I'll be here for an eternity. But a few of them that I like is allergic to stupidity and will make it look like an accident. What else have we got? All sorts of different stuff. Probably could get worse. I'm nice until you annoy me. Bottle up buttercup. Absolutely gorgeous. Wonderful. And then, so we've got the 3x4 card that we get saying Happy Mail. Citrus Twist is here again and on my desk. So this is always a good card, whether you use it with that or whether you cover it up. But if not, you get a nice plain grid on the back as well. It's like a bonus one. And then for stamps, we have Fresh Start, Epic Celebration, Staying In, Going Out, Tonight is the New, Begin Now, This Photo, All the Feels, Going Places, Date and New Beginning. So really universal stamps there. In our little cute little glassine bag, we do get some cork hearts. So a gorgeous amount of cork hearts there, which I'm sure will be put to use. And then last but not by no means least, we've got the ephemera pack. Now I'll show you the back just for a quick overview. But I do tend to get these out, so let's make this month no exception. Just move that out of the way. So we have quite a few nice tags in this. We've got perfect day, just one of those days, whether that be a good or a bad one. We have currently, and this has a little pop out heart, so that can either be left out and used or whichever. We've got craving this. Then some of the other bits, we've got some florals, our daily routine. This, we've got some leaves. labels, memory in the making, today, playing or resting, this is my now, this is my time, getting it done, shop, rest or work, stormy weather, the open road, travelogue. Even if you're not going to use that, it would be good for layering. So if you had a photograph, you could use it as a layering element as well. So really universal. We have some arrows, my wild thing. We have lots more labels, which are always good for those little spots. Change is good. Everyday ordinary. Stranger than fiction. We've got a little bit of silly. We've got some more labels with the florals being brought through. Lots of labels and little word strips. Fiercely independent. Hating this. Loving this. Got some little leaves. Lunch. What a mess. Let's drive. Fresh start. More leaves. New adventures. And then we do actually get quite a few of these little sort of spriggy confetti type bits, which are gorgeous. Had something very similar to this in the Fancy Pants range, and I do really like them. Nice little sprinklings. So we've got lots more labels in here, all sorts of different varieties and colours. We've got some tabs, and then we've got things like destination, January details, magic happens here, discover new things. Got more bits of confetti. Nap queen. Now that'd be hard to decide which of my daughters is a nap queen, probably my second. We've got up for the challenge, some more florals, more labels, even more labels in all sorts of different sizes and colours. We've got some more leaves. We've got vacation, my choice, fancy free. Oh no you didn't. I like that one. Oh no you didn't. More confetti bits. We've got all about the presentation. We've got a couple of bigger words. We've got wander and we've got nap. Then we have some more leaves. Last little bits now, but we've got some more leaves, more little confetti bits. We've got goal setter. Apology if you can hear that in the background. Somebody's just set off a firework. And we've got this is happening. And last but not least, we've got happy with you. So as always, a die cut pack absolutely bursting. So hopefully I'll be able to get creating with this soon and bring you my first week for 2018. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon.